What are the best vegan sources of protein to help you lose weight? What's up everyone, it's Anthony from AB Fitness Center. Today I'm going to be talking specifically to vegans who ultimately want to change their body composition, lose body fat, gain muscle, and get stronger. That's what you want to do. But the problem is, being a vegan is very, very difficult in the sense of building muscle because getting adequate amounts of protein is very, very hard. So I've had some experience training a lot of people who are vegans. We've had a lot of clients who've come to us who don't have any animal products, and it makes it difficult. And there's different forms of vegans. You know, you have the people who don't have any meat at all. You have the people who have some dairy. You have the people who will have like eggs or fish. So everybody's a little bit different, but I have some good alternatives for you today and sources that are higher in protein that are gonna help you hit your protein goal and help you to lose more body fat and gain more muscle. So let's get rolling with this. So first and foremost, huge shout out to our client Monica. She's one of our best clients. She's doing phenomenal. She's done so well. Actually, this month she got a new weigh-in, down 2% in body fat this month alone. So amazing job, doing really good. And as I said earlier, being a vegan is very hard because it's very hard to get that protein in. So this video is actually prompted by not only her and what she did, and I'll show you in a second, but also one of our other vegans in our private Facebook group also put up a post asking for protein sources, and we had a couple of comments in there that I'm going to touch on first. So the first one, and I'm going to prop it up here, is this was new, I never saw this, but Silk Milk actually makes a soy protein, and it was pretty cool. I've never seen this before. 20 grams of protein a cup. So that's a really good, it's soy protein isolate, which is a really good form of protein for a vegan. So I'd recommend picking that up. She said she gets that at Target or Stop and Shop, which is local to here, but I'm sure you could find it online. So that's the first one, okay? Now, the rest of them are gonna come out of this baggie. So our client Monica was kind enough to give me all of her snacks and things that she uses to help her hit her protein goals. So I'm just gonna pull them at random out of the bag, and then we'll cover them and I'll talk about each one. So first one, it looks like, again, I've never seen these before. I didn't look at any of this. So this is a Revival. It's basically a soy protein in one packet, which is pretty good. 20 grams of protein, okay? 4 grams of carbohydrates and 2 grams of fat. So again, a really quick, simple soy protein isolate is the first ingredient on this label. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hopefully you can. But you always want to look at, when you look at the ingredients, you always want to look at what the first ingredient is because that's going to be the most of what's in here. So soy protein isolate, Revival. Okay, so that's one. Again, soy protein is going to be one of the better alternatives, and sometimes these packets can be really good. Stick them in your car, you know, bring them with you on trips, whatever you got to do for this one. And this is a strawberry flavor, so not bad. All right, so that's the first one. Let's pull out my bag of goodies here. So next one, we got Vega, okay? Vega protein isolate. This is pea protein. So I manufacture my own protein, and I have been doing it since about 2008. And pea protein is very, very hard to do because the taste is just not good. It's very hard to do. My client swears by these. So these are pea protein. Again, a different source of protein for you guys. In this packet, okay, is 30 grams of protein, 6 carbs, and 3 fat. So pretty good, 160 calories here. Not bad. Again, really good, really convenient. You could take these with you on the fly. You know, sometimes it really blows my mind how people are like, oh, it's so difficult to get protein in. If you had a bunch of these with you and you literally had 1 or 2 packs a day, that's 2 servings of protein. That would be 60 grams. That's more than the average American consumes in just 2 meals. So that's another one for you. All right, let's see what else we got here. We got some bars now. So I guess these are 3 different ones. I'm just, like I said, I'm pulling them out of the bag here. So these are 3 different protein bars. So these are Nugo Slim bars. Okay, so I'll show you guys the label. So there's different flavors. So this is crunchy peanut butter. This one is espresso. And this one is toasted coconut. Okay, so I'm just gonna grab one at random. So we'll go with the nutrition facts on this one. So this one, in 1 bar, 16 grams of protein, okay, 17 grams of carbohydrates, and 8 grams of fat. let's look at the ingredient profile to see what this is. So again, yeah, soy protein. All right, so they're using soy. Oh, I have it upside down for you guys. I'm sorry. So they're using soy protein in here. So it's basically a soy protein bar. And again, pretty good. I would say it's probably equivalent to like a Quest bar. Again, if you're a vegan and you don't touch anything with animals, these are going to be your best alternative. 180 calories, 8 grams of fat, 16 protein. So again, like I said, pretty much like a Quest bar. I'm assuming the other ones are about the same. Yeah, this one's a little less in fat. This is 5 grams of fat, 16 protein. So again, same kind of thing. But my client swears by these, says that they are the best tasting ever. 7 grams of fat, 17 grams of protein. So yeah, so these are Nugo Slim bars. Okay? Screenshot that, guys, because that's a good one for the vegans. All right, and the last goodie out of our goodie bag. And again, thank you so much, Monica, for this. I really appreciate it, and it's going to help a lot of people who are just like you, who've been a vegan for a very long time, and not someone who's a vegan because they think it's going to help them lose weight. So she's actually doing it because of something she believes in, and I respect that, and she's been doing it for years. So this is not somebody who just became vegan overnight. So shout out to you. All right, so the last thing we got here is a Vega protein bar. It's a plant-based bar. I'm going to assume this is probably soy because I've never seen a pea protein bar, but we'll find out if it is. So in this bar, it's a little bit of a bigger bar, 20 grams of protein, 27 carbs, and about 10 grams of fat. So a little bit more than a regular Quest bar. And let's look at the ingredients. Oh, I was wrong. Wow, I shouldn't have said anything. This is pea protein. All right, so first ingredient, pea protein. So again, this is chocolate peanut butter flavor. I'm assuming these taste really good. I've never tasted any of these. Like I said, my client Monica has been a vegan for a very, very long time. So she's been having stuff like this for a while. So she knows what's good and what's not. And pea protein, like I said, to manufacture it is really tough to get the taste down. So I'm assuming that these taste really good. So Vega protein bars, like I said, chocolate peanut butter, 20 grams of protein. So again, you know, in addition to other things that you're eating, having 1 or 2 of these snacks every day can really make a huge difference in your protein intake. This is 30 grams of protein. This is 20 grams of protein. That's 50 grams of high quality vegan protein to help you change your physique, help you build muscle, lose body fat, get stronger, and change everything. So if you thought this was helpful, make sure you click that link below, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.